Hi guys, Ray Smith here. Welcome back to Bluebird Charabang Tales and the continuing story of the conversion of this Transport for London wheelchair bus. Thanks first of all for my new subscribers. I'm very honoured and pleased that you've decided to come along with the journey with me, and also to those who have made some nice comments recently. Thank you very much indeed. And if it's your first time watching, please do subscribe. It's free and it's be a laugh if nothing else. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'll give you a quick update as we have stripped a lot more of the bus out, getting close to being able to start doing the nice stuff, the actual conversion stuff. Okay, so I'll just flip the camera around in a second. So guys, here we go. So it's quite sunny today, so I don't know if that's going to flare out the video, but here we have all the side panelings off. So it is. This is the shower sitting up. As you see, it's going to be a nice fit. One thing I will advise anyone doing a conversion: do not put anything fragile in the fan while you're deconstructing or doing anything, because when you do a little stumble, this just happens. Yeah. So I think I have some fiberglass repair for that, but it's not the end of the world. But this is the shower unit. It's quite tall, so it is, and has the step there, which I'm going to raise up to actually make a seat for my wife who has mobility problems. So I am, and build it and support it under there for the seat as well. So, and has a nice vent opening. There's a little crack up there originally, but I decided to make a bigger one anyway, and then for some nice LED lights in there. So we continue on up, as I say. So I've since discovered that I basically have an aluminium and fiberglass bus. It's aluminium siding and the roof is fiberglass, and obviously the interior fittings, these sort of panels and things, were all fiberglass. So this is the last bit. I'm going to be taking some of this down and rebuilding my own, well, so that I can have some storage there, probably for bedding and things like that. Floor come up, and I said before, I'm going to raise the floor up to the same height as the drivers and have two captain's chairs here swiveling around. And a big job recently, which I had to even go out and buy a reciprocating saw, was to get these light fittings and the trunking down. Boy, was it tough stuff. But the reciprocating saw made short work of it. So now we have the ceiling all down. Just these little brackets which I sawed through to cut back and grind down. So we have, so here's the ceiling. Walls all done. I don't know how well it's going to get it in the sunlight. So it is. And as I say, the paneling on this side with all my junk. So I'm contemplating maybe taking the windows out and just using aluminium in them, and building them up and then putting the motorhome caravan windows in place. Keep the weight down. And just for show you, this was the really high quality. Oh, no, that sunlight's killing it. I'll try it this way. No, still killing it. I'll lift it up. This, there we go. This was the high quality, really thick type of insulation that was in the roofs and in the side. It's not even hardly half an inch thick, and it's just like household insulation. wrapped in plastic bags. No expense spared. So that's it for now, guys. So hopefully on the next one we'll finish the deconstruction and we can start contemplating the build. Still have a couple of little niggling electrical problems to sort, but other than that, things are going pretty well. So hope you enjoyed this little video. I'm just going to take a walk around for people that maybe haven't seen the outside of the bus. Still have investigated that duct tape. As I say, these doors are coming off. They're very big and clumsy and very heavy with all that metalwork. She's wearing her nice bonnet bra. Yes, there are such things you can get for fans called that. I'm sorry, ladies. So, and down this side. So, there we go, guys. So, hope you enjoy this very short little video, and I will see you very soon, and with hopefully a lot more progress. Cheers, thanks for watching, and please like this video, subscribe, it is free, and I'd love to bring you along on the journey with me. Bye.